Content Fusion, KLT System and Coaching with Erica Leary. Imagine Jane, a passionate life coach eager to make a difference. She had a clear vision of the clients she wanted to work with, individuals seeking personal growth, ready for transformation. However, Jane faced a common challenge many coaches encounter: how to reach her ideal clients effectively through social media marketing. Jane's situation: at the start of her journey, Jane was struggling to connect with her ideal coaching clients through social media. She had a modest following, but was not attracting the right audience for her coaching services. Her engagement rates were low, and she felt like her message was getting lost in the noise of social media. Transformation moment. Jane knew she needed it to transform her social media presence to align with her coaching mission. She realized that with the right strategy and the right coach, she could connect with her target audience, inspire them, and ultimately turn them into loyal clients. So after she started working with her coach, she took some massive steps. Content strategy. Jane began by refining her social media content strategy. She focused on creating value-packed posts that resonated with her target audience's needs and aspirations. Consistency. Jane committed to posting regularly and engaging with her followers. Her coach followed up with her almost daily at the beginning, and then she got into the groove. She understood the importance of staying visible and building a sense of community. Authenticity. Jane embraced authenticity. She shared her personal journeys, challenges, and triumphs, making her more relatable to her audience. And then strategic hashtags. Jane used strategic hashtags and keywords to increase the discoverability of her posts and to expand her reach to potential clients. The result: remarkable. Her audience growth. Within just 3 months of implementing her new social media strategy, Jane's follower count grew by 150%, reaching a highly engaged audience interested in personal development. Her engagement soared. Jane's engagement rates skyrocketed, with likes and comments on her posts increasing by 200%. Her authentic and relatable content resonated deeply with her audience. Client conversion. Most importantly, Jane successfully converted 20% of her social media followers into paying coaching clients. These were individuals who resonated with her message, had built trust in her expertise, and were eager to embark on their personal growth journeys with her. Conclusion. Jane's story is a testament to the transformative power of effective social media marketing. Through strategic action and authentic engagement, plus an amazing coach, she turned her social media presence into a thriving platform for connecting with her ideal coaching clients, ultimately leading to remarkable results.